FranLab.
Quickie!
I wanted to come up with an elegant solution to a number of my woodworking projects, including the current clock project, which I'm still working on, and I decided to make a 3D printed holder for a regular 1/4-20 hex nut that I could use to insert into a variety of wood projects, and it would be easily repeatable, cheap, and something that's easy to do with a 3D printer. So I calipered the nuts that I'm going to use so I could get a really tight fit. Made a model in AutoCAD, printed out a number of them in my printer, and also used my watch press, which has turned out to be a really handy tool for this kind of stuff, to force fit the nuts into the 3D printed enclosures, and it makes a really nice little unit. And with my clock project, which incidentally I ended up redoing after I made the video about making the back piece for the clock, I ended up going around and just redid it because it turns out with my design that I decided to add another switch, so it needed another hole, and I just redid the whole artwork and moved everything over and yada yada. So anyway, and of course the switches are very, very beautiful. But the clock case is all laminated together, still has to be finish sanded, but I ended up hand chiseling out little recesses for these new nut inserts, and it fits really snug in the side and receives the 1/4-20 bolt, which is going to hold the back on to the clock, and it all comes together really nicely. I sort of really like this merging of techniques, hand woodworking and CNC milling and 3D printing all coming together in an elegant way. This is really what I'm trying to explore with the new wood shop, is trying to integrate the new and the old and come up with elegant solutions that still honor the old traditions of woodworking and solve problems in a simple and elegant way. Anyway, that's it. I'm Fran. Thanks for watching. Bye.